In this video, we are going to work with negative angles. So you may ask yourself, why Mr. Rich draw these ugly diagrams? What are these ugly diagrams? Well, these ugly diagrams are there to help you. So consider, in this video, we are going to work with negative angles. Consider sine negative 180 minus theta and cos negative 180 plus theta, as well as tan negative theta. So we also use a cast diagram when you're working with negative angles. Don't forget, you also use a cast diagram when you're working with negative angles. Let's start with sine negative 180 minus theta. It is given as a ratio. Sine negative 180 is equivalent to moving 180 clockwise. So don't forget that these things of our 180 plus and 190 plus, not 190, 180 plus theta, 360 minus theta, they came up because of transformation geometry. So when you're moving 180 clockwise and moving theta clockwise, we are going to the second quadrant, and this is a home for sine, but the other trigonometric ratios are negative. Similarly, when you're moving 180 to this quadrant, we are going to, this is a home for tan, so it's going to be, tan will be positive. Similarly, when we are moving our trigonometric ratios here, we are going to have, this is where cos is positive. Yes, this is where cos is positive at the fourth quadrant. So don't forget that. So let's get started. Okay, let's work. All right, what did we say? How is sine at the first quadrant? At the second quadrant, I mean, sine is positive, so it's going to be sine theta. Yes, give me, this is sine. Yes, sine theta. Right. How is cos at the third quadrant? Remember, this is not a home for cos. It's only tan here that is positive. So cos will be negative cos theta. Right. How is tan at the fourth quadrant? Remember, it's only cos that is positive here. So we're going to have negative tan theta. Okay, let's work out our brackets. Okay, right. So sine theta multiplied by negative cos theta multiplied by negative. You have to change this. Since it's a quotient identity, we are going to change it. Negative sine theta all over cos theta. So they will cancel each other. Remember, we only cancel when we are having a multiplication. But if you're having addition, you don't cancel. Right? So what are we going to have here? So negative and negative is positive, right? Negative times negative is positive. Then we are going to have sine theta multiplied by sine theta. What is sine theta multiplied by sine theta? It's going to be sine squared theta. So that's your solution. So this is how you are going to work with negative angles. When you're given this, one of the typical exam question that consists of a negative angle. Hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. We love you.